The journey of transformation isn't always about the body, it's about the soul, the reflection in the mirror, the acceptance of what once was, and the embracing of what is now. For Tammy Slaton, the star of 1000 LB Sisters, that moment of reckoning came when she saw her own face in the mirror after undergoing an intense skin removal surgery, a milestone that was not just physically grueling but emotionally seismic. The long-anticipated moment unfolded in silence and awe, her eyes wide, lips parted, and hands slowly tracing the contours of a face she had not seen clearly in decades. Her first real look at herself, unburdened by layers of excess skin, was both overwhelming and cathartic, a visual confirmation that her pain, her hard work, and her struggle had culminated into this moment of realization. She had changed, and so had her life. Tammy's weight loss journey has been one of the most talked about story arcs in reality TV. Fans have watched her from the earliest seasons, battling addiction, immobility, heartbreak, and loss. Many times it seemed like the odds were stacked too high against her. From rehab stays to near-death experiences, Tammy's story has never been short on drama or emotional intensity. But none of those moments quite captured the rawness of her first encounter with the new version of her face post-surgery. It wasn't vanity that made it important, it was identity. For someone who has felt invisible, criticized, and judged, looking in the mirror and finally seeing herself for the first time was nothing short of life-altering. Sources close to Tammy revealed that the moment was filmed, but what viewer may not get to see is the powerful emotional breakdown that followed. Tammy reportedly cried for over an hour, not just out of joy but because she felt grief for all the years she had lost. She later shared in a heartfelt confessional that she didn't recognize the woman staring back. It was a face unburdened by pain and shame, one that finally allowed her to see the softness in her features and the strength in her eyes. For years, Tammy said, she avoided mirrors, not wanting to confront her appearance. This moment, though terrifying, became a symbol of her rebirth. Dr. Eric Matthews, the surgeon who performed the skin removal procedure, commented on how common it is for patients like Tammy to go through a form of emotional shock after such surgeries. It's not just skin, it's years of trauma, self-doubt, and painful memories that get removed. The body stores that emotional weight, and when it's gone, there's a void that often overwhelms patients. Tammy's reaction, he said, was one of the most powerful he's ever witnessed. Leading up to the surgery, Tammy underwent months of preparation. From grueling diet restrictions to psychological evaluations and fitness routines, she had to prove she was ready not just physically but mentally. Her support system, including sister Amy and several close friends, stood by her side through it all. Amy Slaton herself broke down watching Tammy's post-surgery reveal, stating, "She finally looks like the Tammy I always knew was inside her. She's beautiful and strong and finally free." But this transformation wasn't just about weight or looks. It was about breaking cycles. Tammy had grown up with a fractured sense of self-worth, often using food as comfort in an unstable home. Fans of 1000 LB Sisters have seen glimpses of the childhood trauma, the bullying, and the isolation she faced. These experiences shaped her inner critic, the voice that told her she wasn't good enough or worthy of love. Post-surgery, Tammy began intensive therapy to deal with these long-standing emotional wounds. Her therapists noted significant progress, with one even stating that Tammy was beginning to make peace with the girl she once was and the woman she's becoming. Quote, "Social media erupted once sneak peeks of her face began surfacing. Fans flooded the comments with messages of support and disbelief at her stunning transformation. She's glowing," one fan wrote. "You can see the happiness in her eyes now." Others praised her strength and courage, saying she was an inspiration for anyone struggling with body image or addiction. Tammy's Instagram following skyrocketed overnight, turning her into a beacon of hope and resilience. In one touching Instagram live, Tammy opened up about the surreal experience of applying makeup for the first time in years. "I didn't think I'd ever enjoy doing something like this again. I cried just putting on lipstick. It's like I'm learning how to love myself all over again." She also shared her intention to launch a skincare and beauty line geared toward plus-size individuals who often feel left out of mainstream beauty narratives. Behind the scenes, however, not everything was picture perfect. There were moments of insecurity, fear of public perception, and anxiety about how long the results would last. Tammy admitted in a recent interview that the surgery was just one step in a lifelong battle. The surgery didn't fix everything. I still struggle every day, but now I have hope. And that's something I never had before. Producers of 1000 LB Sisters are reportedly working on a special 2-part episode centered on Tammy's post-surgery journey. The episodes are said to include never-before-seen footage, heartfelt interviews, and behind-the-scenes moments that highlight the emotional weight of her transformation. TLC executives noted that Tammy's story has resonated with audiences because of her authenticity. She's raw, she's real, and she never hides the ugly parts of healing, one producer said. The emotional high of seeing her face for the first time was followed by a deeper dive into self-acceptance. Tammy began journaling, attending group therapy sessions, and engaging with fans through motivational talks. She even began writing a memoir titled Reflections in the Mirror, chronicling her journey from near-death to self-discovery. The book, insiders say, will include deeply personal accounts of her darkest moments, her family struggles, and the first time she truly felt beautiful. As Tammy continues to heal, physically and emotionally, she is stepping into her own power. She's become an advocate for body positivity, mental health awareness, and self-love. During a recent appearance on a health and wellness podcast, Tammy delivered a powerful message: healing isn't linear. You don't wake up one day and love yourself. You fight for that love every single day. And when you see yourself, truly see yourself, for the first time, it changes everything. Tammy's transformation also sparked discussions about the ethics of reality TV. While some critics argue that her struggles have been exploited for ratings, others see the platform as a critical avenue for shedding light on real issues like obesity, depression, and healthcare disparities. Tammy herself has acknowledged this duality, stating, "It's hard being so open, but if my story helps one person keep going, it's worth it." In a world where perfection is filtered and curated, Tammy's raw, unfiltered moment of self-recognition stands out. It reminds viewers that beauty isn't about symmetry or skin, it's about survival, strength, and the stories we carry. Her tearful reaction to seeing her new face was more than a television moment, it was a testimony to human resilience. As Tammy prepares for future surgeries and continues her wellness journey, she's doing so with a new sense of self. The woman in the mirror is no longer a stranger. She's a survivor, she's a sister, she's a fighter, and most importantly, she's finally someone Tammy Slaton is proud to be. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.